Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you are unable to install this update, that is KB5094126. Because of this error, that is we could not complete the install because an update service was shutting down. Now for this you can type in, first of all, restart your computer. Simply restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. If that does not work, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find Windows Update in the list. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update. Click on Start or Restart. Now find Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Make a double click. Set this to automatic. Click on Apply. Click on Start if highlighted. Click on OK. Make a right click. Click on Restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to again automatic, apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Now once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, you can try to install the update once again. Still not working, go to Windows Update in Windows settings, and over here you can see pause update option, hit pause. Once the update is paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5094126 over here. Click on search. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box. Click on WinVer run command and then check your Windows version. For me it's version 25H2. Now check your system type. So open Windows settings, go to system, scroll down, go to about option. Now over here in my case the system is 64-bit operating system. Now for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2x64 base system. This is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5094126 and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your PC and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update. Over here you can see advanced option, click on it. Find recovery, click on recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your PC and then try to update your Windows 11. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next over here. Save it to desktop, save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish over here. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds to close. Once closed, go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, you can log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.